Hello students, as in this question you can see they are asking the resultant of three vectors OA, OB and OC shown in figure is. So let's not confuse it कि भाई this is not just one vector, this is obviously three vectors. So first of all I am going to focus on this vector which is basically OA which has magnitude R और दूसरा vector ये है which is OC, इसका भी magnitude तो R ही है. So and the third vector is this one, ठीक है, this vector R in between them. तो पहले let's take the resultant of these two, this R and this R, इनका resultant पहले निकालते हैं and let's forget about OB right now. तो the angle between these two is 90 degree. So the resultant of these two has to be in between them और resultant निकालना आपको आता है. That will be r square और आपको पता है the vectors are 2 into r cos 90. So this will give me root 2r. 2r square, so root 2r, that will be r will be outside. This is like root 2 times r is outside. तो ये इन दोनों का resultant है which is this vector, this in the black. And root 2r, let's say this is root 2r vector और पहले से along that line there is a vector which is this vector, this in the question, this is present already in that direction, r. So these two vectors, by the way root 2r will be greater than r, but this is, both of these vectors now are in the same direction. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या किया, हमने पहले दो वेक्टर्स का सम निकाल लिया which is root 2r and added to r. तो अब जो रिजल्टेंट फाइनल आंसर आएगा, रिजल्टेंट ऑफ द थ्री वेक्टर्स, that will be root 2r plus r. So that has to be r times 1 plus root 2 and that is your final answer here. That's it, very simple. यही करना था हमें इस क्वेश्चन में, दोनों वेक्टर्स को रिजल्टेंट निकाल के थर्ड वेक्टर से ऐड कर देना था.